So hello guys, as you can see, this is the Sony SRS-XB12 Bluetooth speaker. Now it's in my hand and you are watching my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to unbox it and I'll tell you the actual experience with this box. So this is the box overall here, and it's written down here. This is the 4.2 Bluetooth connectivity, and it's something with the waterproof. This is the key function as Sony highlighted on it. It is waterproof and IP67 rating. It's written down here, and it's even also the long lasting battery life. So it's the 16-hour battery time, and is a micro USB charging port, and even you also got a strap. It's look like this, and after I'll show you. And this is also the speaker or phone voice assistant function. That means you can connect your you can control your phone by using the speaker as a Google Assistant or Siri, something like this. And even this is also the another function is the speaker add function. That means when you are adding the another SRS XB12 box, and the two box are working together and make you the feel like a studio sound. And this is the price mentioned here, the 4990, but actually the market price is something 3200 and something near that. So this is the overall box, and this is a black in color. So now I'm going to unbox it. So at first I have to cut it down. Okay, after that, okay, okay, inside the box, okay, this is the charging cable, USB, micro USB. This is the box, and another accessories like um oh, this is the warranty card, and 1 year from the 1st of the November 2021. So you will got a 1 year warranty, and something manual. Okay, so let it inside. Now I'm going to the actual product. So open it. So now this is the box, Sony, and now taking it in my hand, and it's really feeling like it's really a premium box ever. So you don't feel any types of the cheap thing it is. It's really a premium quality and premium plastic. And this is the strap what actually company mentioned here, and this is the all buttons here. This is a power button, volume down, volume up, and the play on pause. Even you can take the calls by using this button. And this is the add button when you are trying to add the another SRS XV box by simply pressing on the add button and the two boxes. So that is the function, other function. And this is the charge indicator. As you can see, this is a charge indicator, and this is the mic. So, and inside it, and this is the another slot where you can, this is the charging port, and it's the small thing is the reset button and the aux in. Okay, but the another thing is that the company don't provide you any types of aux cable. Make sure that. So now I'm going to close it, and this is the overall box as you can see. Now I'm going to open it. Let me power on it. Okay, just simply single press on it, and as the light is blinking, that means your box is on. And I think as you can hear the sound, that means your box is paired with your phone. As my Bluetooth speaker is uh, on, and even my mobile Bluetooth also be on, that's why it's connect automatically through my phone. In some cases I want to mention you that you're facing some problem to connect your phone or your even a laptop, that you are searching through your phone or laptop but you can't find this box. Then you have to do two things. The primary thing is that you have to reset your box. So by two way you can reset your box. Simply press on power button and volume down button, two button in same time for at least 5 seconds. Even after that, if you don't find again, then you have to open the this portion, and as this is the reset switch here, so you have to press something by the pin what you have in your hand, what you actually use for your opening your sim card slot in your smartphone. And that's pretty cool. Just simply single press on it. Make sure that you have to switch on your system. So this is the overall my box. And as the another thing I want to mention you that in this box company mentioned that uh, in this box you can get the 16-hour battery life. But that is the different scenario when you're using it in the 60% volume, then you can get up to 16-hour battery life. But when you are playing the song in full 100% sound, then you will go up to 6 to 7 hours. Make sure on it. So overall I tell everything about this box. And the main thing is that as company Sony highlighted on it the extra bases. So it's really cool and it's really amazing bass and amazing sound quality. But the actual minor thing is that as I'm purchasing this box by 3,200 rupees, so when you consider that you are paying lots of money but you are getting that the sound quality is not so high. Sound quality, no, I'm not saying about the sound quality, the sound volume, the speakers loudness is not so much high as you must are expected. But in a small room it's really really awesome. And if you're thinking that you are going to travel and you are love to travel, then it's really recommended for you. So this is the overall thing. The as the minor thing is that its price is little bit higher than as it expected. So if you're thinking that you want to buy this, so in my opinion this is a really big deal, because you're paying something but the quality is awesome. But when you're thinking that I want to need more loudness, then this is not actual recommended for you. Okay, so I hope guys you are really satisfied with my opinion with this box. So I really love this box, and as it is in the Sony original company, so we can really trust on Sony. So thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.